Today I will show you how to knit curly Icord on the Passap. First, make sure the racking handle is in its lowest position. Raise 2 needles in 1-to-1 division on the front bed. Set the front lock to N and the stitch size to 1. Set the back lock to GX. Insert the black strippers and take the yarn. I will use 3 strands of acrylic yarn. Knit 1 row. Lower the front bed and attach a weight to the loop between the needles. When you attach the weight, hold it with your hand because it may fall. Do you see how it is hanging? Make sure it is far away from the strippers. Now raise 2 more needles on the front bed and knit 1 row to finish the cast on. I will show you the first way to knit the cord. Clear the row counter, set the front lock to BX and the stitch size to 3. Raise pushers on the row needles in working position on the front bed, put them in resting position and move the lock to the left. Raise the first, the second and the fourth pusher and knit 1 row. Put all pushers in resting position and move the lock to the left. Raise the first, the second and the fourth pusher and knit 1 row. Put all pushers in resting position and move the lock to the left. Now raise all 4 pushers and knit 1 row. Then you have to repeat the same steps. By the way, tell me something in the comments below. Now you can see how I'm knitting the cord from a different point of view. If you get used to knitting with your left hand and moving the pushers with your right one, you can knit very fast. You just have to memorize the pattern. I tried to make a punch card to make everything automatically, but I found out that when you move the deco device to the left, it will rearrange the pushers, the lock will knit, and then you can't make the machine lower the pushers for the slip row. So I came up with this idea. After you make the cast on, raise only 3 pushers in working position as in the diagram. Set the lock to BX and press both arrow keys. Now knit 5 rows using these settings. I'm using only the front lock so you can see the movement of the needles. Move the NX lever to N and knit 1 row. Now move the NX lever to X and repeat the same steps. According to me, this is the easiest way to knit this cord on the Passap. To remove the cord from the machine, first you have to take off the weight. Take the yarn from the lock and cut it. Thread it into the double-eye bodkin tool. The yarn is coming from the rightmost needle, you have to start taking the stitches from left to right. When you take off the weight, you may need to wait until the cord curls by itself. That is the cord right after you take it from the machine. Take the cast-on tail and pull it through the loop from the weight. That will make a knot which will keep the cord from unraveling. That is the cord up close. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you in my next video.